How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. On the top right side there will be 3 lines. Click on that. Then click on settings and privacy. Then on the top option there will be account center. Click on that. Then a new screen will pop out. Make sure to scroll down and click on personal details. Once you click on personal details, click on account ownership and control. Then an option will come out which is deactivation or deleting your account. Click on that and then confirm, is this your account that you want to deactivate? Then this is the account we want to deactivate. Once you click on that, there will be an option of deactivating your account temporarily or deleting your account permanently. We want to deactivate our account, so we are going to click on deactivating the account. Continue. Once you click on continue, there will be an option that will pop out where you have to add your account's password, and once you add your account's password and continue, your account will be deactivated temporarily. So if you liked this video and if it was helpful, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any doubts, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks a lot.